Whether you're hosting a holiday get-together or football night, pizza bread is the perfect dish to serve up. I'm going to show you how to prepare a version with red peppers, spinach, and provolone cheese. We'll start by rolling out a ball of pizza dough into a rectangle. We want it to be about 10 by 15 inches in size. There, that looks good. Now layer on provolone, prosciutto, and chopped spinach. Now make sure to leave about ½ inch of space around the edges. We'll need that when we roll up the dough. Next, sprinkle on red bell peppers, garlic powder, Italian seasoning, and a little red pepper flakes. Okay, now comes the fun part, rolling it up. We'll start at the long side that's closest to you, and slowly and evenly roll the dough. Perfect. Position the seam so it's under the roll and pinch the ends under to close. I'm going to transfer this over to a baking sheet lined with parchment paper and pierce the top several times. This allows the steam to escape during baking. Lightly drizzle the top with olive oil and spread to coat. All right, now we'll put this into the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25 minutes. When it comes out of the oven, cool slightly, cut into slices, and serve with marinara sauce. For this recipe, visit bigY.com. Until next time, be well.